Welcome to the neon-drenched frontier of 2026, where the silicon giants are being toppled by Moonshot AI's latest breakthrough. Kimi Code K2.6 has officially landed, and it's not just another model, it's a full-scale agentic revolution. By topping the swe-bench Pro leaderboard with a staggering 58.6% resolution rate, it has effectively dethroned GPT 5.4 and Claude Opus 4.6. This is the new gold standard for autonomous coding. The numbers tell a story of extreme efficiency and raw power. K2.6 achieves its dominance while charging a mere 60 cents per million input tokens. That is 5 times cheaper than Claude Sonnet 4.6. It carries a massive 1 trillion parameter architecture, but uses a clever mixture of experts design to keep things fast and affordable for developers who need to scale their agentic workflows without breaking the bank. Kimi K2.6 is built from the ground up for deep agentic software engineering. While its predecessor struggled after 50 tool calls, K2.6 pushes the envelope to 300 sequential calls without losing its objective. It can coordinate massive swarms of subagents to tackle massive codebases. In one test, it autonomously refactored an 8-year-old financial engine over 13 hours, improving throughput by 185% without any human intervention. Moonshot AI has adopted a developer-first philosophy by releasing K2.6 with open weights. This allows teams to self-host and fine-tune the model for proprietary environments. It bridges the gap between the raw performance of closed-source models like Claude Mythos and the flexibility of the open-source community. It's a direct answer to the Cursor ecosystem, offering a more affordable and customizable alternative for high-end coding tasks. Integrating Kimi into your existing workflow is seamless because it maintains compatibility with the OpenAI API standard. You can point your existing scripts to the Moonshot base URL and start refactoring immediately. Here's how you can use the K2.6 model to handle a complex Python task, like refactoring legacy classes into modern data classes with just a few lines of code and your API key. For those locked into the Claude Code ecosystem, Kimi offers a brilliant workaround. By redirecting the Anthropic base URL in your environment variables, you can actually run Claude Code commands powered by the Kimi K2.6 engine. This gives you the sophisticated CLI interface of Claude with the aggressive pricing and high-performance agentic capabilities of Moonshot AI, effectively giving you the best of both worlds in your terminal. Setting up Kimi locally is straightforward thanks to its support for VLLM. You can install the Kimi CLI for quick OAuth sessions or launch a full Tensor parallel server to host the weights yourself. This flexibility is key for enterprise environments where data privacy is paramount. Once the server is live, you have a local, high-performance coding agent ready to process 65,000 tokens of context across 4 GPUs. The architecture of K2.6 is a masterclass in mixture of experts design. It balances a massive knowledge base with efficient execution by only activating a small fraction of its total parameters during each pass. This mixture of experts approach, combined with 61 layers and 64 attention heads, allows the model to maintain deep technical focus across long-range dependencies, which is crucial for understanding how changes in one file affect a massive multi-repo project. Beyond raw benchmarks, K2.6 introduces features designed for the next era of autonomous engineering. Its ability to coordinate swarms means it can parallelize complex tasks, like writing tests while simultaneously refactoring logic. The extended tool calling depth ensures it doesn't get lost in hallucination loops during long-running tasks. This makes it a production-ready tool for teams looking to automate the more tedious aspects of technical debt management and legacy system migration. When compared to the current market leaders, Kimi K2.6 lands in a unique spot. It is more capable than the general open weight field and sits just below the most expensive Mythos class models. However, its cost-to-performance ratio is currently unbeatable. For developers who need high-end reasoning without the high-end price tag of GPT-5 or Claude Opus, Kimi is the clear winner for 2026's engineering workflows. Kimi Code K2.6 is a watershed moment for the open-weight movement. It proves that you don't need a closed-source subscription to access world-class coding performance. Whether you are refactoring legacy financial systems or building the next generation of decentralized apps, K2.6 provides the agentic depth and economic efficiency to make it happen. It is officially time to reconsider your loyalty to the closed-source giants. The era of the autonomous engineer is here, and Kimi Code K2.6 is leading the charge. If you want to see more deep dives into the tools shaping our digital future, hit that subscribe button. You can find all the code snippets, benchmark comparisons, and deployment guides from this video over at Effloow.com.